अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आई एम निमरा जुल्फ़िकार फ्रॉम मुरीद के ऑफिसर्स एकेडमी। आज हम ज़िलादार मॉर्निंग का पेपर डिस्कस करेंगे। लेट्स स्टार्ट। सबसे पहले हम डिस्कस करेंगे वज़ीर खान मॉस्क बिल्ड बाय। इसकी आंसर जो है वो है शाहजहां। हु रिकॉल्ड एम मोहम्मद बिन कासिम फ्राम सिंध। सलमान बिन अब्दुल मालिक। आगे है फर्जी मूवमेंट वाज स्टार्टेड बाय हाजी शरीयतुल्लाह। आर्या समाज वाज फाउंडेड बाय दयानंद सरस्वती। Partition of Bengal year 16 October 1905. Pakistan get how much percent share for industry during independence? 8%. Which Indian represent Kashmir first time in UNO? Jawaharlal Nehru. Which bank in Pakistan is responsible for formulating and implementing all bank policies? State Bank. One unit scheme was established in which year? 1955. When did Second Constitution Assembly of Pakistan formed? 1955. Mangla Dam on River Jhelum was constructed in which year? 1966. And Pakistan conducted nuclear test on 20 May 28 May 1998. When Mamnoon Hussain president signed to merge FATA in KPK, it's 31 May 2018. Pakistan national game hockey. How much remittance achieved Pakistan during first quarter of 2025? $10 billion. Pakistan import how much percentage of weapons in 2025 from China? 81%. In 2025, the program launched by Pakistan for Science and Technology Development is STED 2025. Which city is called as Gateway City of Pakistan? Karachi. Current permanent representative of Pakistan in UNO, Asim Iftikhar. Dal Lake is in Jammu and Kashmir. Pakistan does not have diplomatic relation with Israel. Book Modern Muslim of India and Birth of Pakistan written by S.M. Ikram. Autobiography Power Failure is written by Saida Abida Hussain. Dharmajika Stupa in Taxila built during which era? Kushan era. Haripur city is named after which Sikh ruler? Hari Singh Nalwa. Which university is focused on science and technology in Pakistan? NUST. NGO is a body that operates all of these. Satya Kal means truth is God. Who stated Kashmir is running better under China than India? Farooq Abdullah. Now we started World Affair. Old name of Myanmar, Burma. Tambora volcano in which country? Indonesia. Petronas Twin Tower is in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. What happened in Syria in December 2024? Regime change. New president of Syria, Ahmad al Sahra. Which city is known as Bride of Sea? Venice. Stonehagen houses can be found in England. Salisbury is located at England. Total area of Sinai Peninsula 67,000 km. Oath date of Donald Trump 20th January 2025. NASA Ghost Mission 2025 was for Moon. America put how many percent tariff on China? 145%. Crypto winter means decline in cryptocurrency. Shortcut key to minimize workbook in MS Excel. Control plus F9. Dash is used to creating copy of open document. Save as. Direction of rectangular page for open and review document. Preview mode. Reminder for division in Excel. Mode. Software is. Insulin secreted by pancreas. Refrigerator works on the principle of thermodynamics. Who is the most famous Muslim surgeon? Al-Zahrawi. Wastage of polythene bags become of cause. Choke the drain. Sun has burned half of hydrogen in last how many years? 4.6 billion. Which gas used in form fire extinguisher? Ammonium hydroxide. Which instrument is used to measure blood pressure? Sphygmomanometer. Free oxygen is available on which planet? Earth. Which air gas is the cause of increase in high temperature? Carbon dioxide. Insolvent synonym. Bankrupt. Couch potato means lazy person. Antonym of benign, malevolent. Pull your socks up means to improve yourself. I don't mind dash if you are tired driving. We cannot rely dash them as they are dishonest. Own. Place a book dash the table. Own. I thank that you dash pass the exam with flying colors. Will. I knocked the door, but nobody answered. Here but is conjunction. You must hurry or you will miss the train. Compound sentence. Voice. The doctor bandaged the arm of injured man. The arm of injured man was bandaged by the doctor. Change into voice. Do you understand what I mean? Is what mean understand by you understood by you. The laborers dash on strike for 4 days. Have been. The dash spreading chestnut tree the children are playing under. Which one is odd? 53, 47, 40, 33, 26, or 90? Answer is 53. Next number in the series 1, 1, 2, 6, 24. Answer is 12. N minus 2 minus 10. What is the sum of two possible values of n? 4. Least value of 39 over 26 is 3 over 2. The capacity of cuboid tank is 50,000 liters of water. Find the breadth of the tank if its length and depth are respectively 2.5 meter and 10 meter. 4 meter ants. At simple interest, a sum becomes 3 times in 20 years. Find the time in which the sum will be double at the same rate of interest. 10 years. The discount price of book is 20% less than the retail price. James managed to purchase the book at 30% of the discount price at a special book sale. What percent of the retail price did James pay? 56%. If 1 is added to largest 4 digit, then the number becomes 10,000. OIC headquarters, Jeddah. 2008 Olympic held in Beijing, China. More chance of injury in which game? Gymnastics. Most medals won by which country in Tokyo Olympics 2021? USA. Nazam Tot Batot is written by Sufi Tabassum. मिट्टी बर्बाद करना मीन्स रुसवा करना. चीनी कोठी novel written by Siddiq Alam. पंजा मरियम मीन्स ग्रास की बूटी. मीर हसन का मीर हसन की मसनवी की तादाद 11. ऐसा लफ्ज़ जो ना किसी से बना हो और ना इससे कोई बनता हो कहलाता है. इसमें जामद. वो अल्फाज जो अपने हकीकी मायनों की बजाय मजाजी मायनों में इस्तेमाल हो और उसके मायनों में तशबीह का तल्लुक पाया जाए. मजाज मरसल. पूरब जाओ या पश्चिम वही करम के लक्षण. मीन्स जहाँ जाओ किस्मत एक ही सी रहती है. वो तनकीदी मकतब फ़िक्र अदब जो इंसान और माहौलियात के तल्लुक का मतालिया करे. रियल नेम ऑफ मिर्ज़ा अदीब मिर्ज़ा दिलावर अली. लार्जेस्ट मॉस्क इन द वर्ल्ड मस्जिद अल हरम. How many camels were offered by Kuffar Makkah to catch Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam at the time of migration? 100. Hazrat Jafar bin Tayyar was martyred in which battle? Ghazwa Mota. Zakat was enforced in which Hijri? 2 Hijri. Sahifa Sadqa was written by Abdullah bin Amr. ऐसी हदीस जिसकी तस्दीक सहाबा तक जाके मिलती है मकूफ. रियल नेम ऑफ इमाम बुखारी मुहम्मद बिन इस्माइल. Holy Prophet started secret preaching from the house of which Sahabi? Hazrat Arqam.